You just want to jump into a quick deathmatch, maybe climb a few ranks with your squad. But instead of the familiar login screen, you're hit with that dreaded account locked message. Instantly, your heart sinks, a wave of panic washes over you, and you start wondering if all your precious skins, agents, and hard-earned rank are gone forever. It's a truly frustrating and isolating experience, especially when you're itching to play and connect with your friends. But don't fret, you're absolutely not alone in this digital predicament. Many Valorant players face this exact issue, and luckily, most account locks are temporary and fixable. In this video, we're going to walk through the most common reasons why your account might be locked, and more importantly, give you a clear step-by-step guide on how to get back into the game and clutching those rounds in no time. Okay, let's kick things off with the most common and often quickest fix. If your Valorant account is locked, it's frequently because Riot security system detected suspicious login attempts or too many failed passwords, and it locks it down as a precaution. The easiest way to tell the system it's actually you and not some sneaky hacker is to head over to the Riot Games website and initiate a password reset. You'll get an email with instructions, so make sure you have access to the email linked to your account. After a password reset, it's a perfect time to beef up your account's security or troubleshoot. If your existing security is part of the problem, if you have two-factor authentication or FAL enabled, and you're having trouble logging in, double-check your authenticator app or recovery codes. Enabling FAL on your account prevents a lot of these lockouts from happening in the first place. But sometimes a lost phone or a sync issue can trip you up, so make sure everything is in order. What if your account is locked and you genuinely suspect someone else tried to get in or even succeeded? This is where Riot's account recovery process becomes your best friend. You'll need to submit a ticket with as much information as possible to prove you're the rightful owner, like your original email creation date and any purchase history. This process is crucial for reclaiming your account from potential hackers and getting it unlocked securely. Sometimes, despite your best efforts, your account remains stubbornly locked, or you can't access the email linked to it. At this point, it's time to reach out directly to Riot Games Player Support. Head over to their support website, submit a ticket detailing your issue, and be prepared to provide them with any information they request to verify your identity. They are equipped to handle complex account issues, so be patient and provide all the requested details for the quickest resolution.